In today's video, I'm going to show you an Instagram hack that will save you so much time when posting. This will be one of those hacks where you say, OMG, I wish I would have known about this a long time ago. So if you want to learn more about this hack, make sure that you watch until the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profit. So make sure to subscribe to the channel today for weekly videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. So let's go ahead and get started. The Instagram hack that I'm going to be sharing with you today is for those of you guys that have an actual iPhone, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the feature called text replacement, which helps you create shortcuts and saves hashtags on your phone. Now, this is a lifesaver because you could just keep all of your hashtags in your phone in one area, and when you're ready to post on Instagram, all you need to do is type the shortcut and they will appear. So many people, including myself, usually have our hashtags saved in the notes section of our phone. So we normally just have to go to that section of the notes, grab them from there, and then go back to Instagram to post. But now you don't have to do that any longer. So let me show you step by step how this hack works. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over to notes, and I'm gonna copy this hashtags right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and select, and I'm gonna copy. Now the next step, go ahead and go to settings, go to general, click on keyboard, head over to text replacement, and click on the plus sign on the top right corner. It's going to ask you for the phrase. That's where you're going to put your hashtag. So you're just going to tap and paste. On the bottom is where you're going to put the name of that shortcut that you want to use for these particular hashtags. I would name your hashtag shortcut based on the hashtags that you're using. So these are like whenever I post something about Etsy, these are the ones that I want to use. So I'm going to call these Etsy posts. And you want to remember that shortcut because that's what you're going to be using in your caption. I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and you should be able to see it right here on my third row. Once you're happy, go ahead and get out. I'm going to pretend I'm going to do a post right now to show you. And I'm going to go ahead and add a post. I'm just going to grab this picture here next. I'm going to write a caption. Hi guys. Obviously write your caption that you're going to write. Once you're ready to go ahead and add your hashtags, type in the shortcut. So I'm going to say Etsy posts. As you can see on the bottom of my screen right here, right on top of the keyboard, you see the hashtags right there, a little bubble with the hashtags. If you click on the bubble right there, all of your hashtags showed up on the actual post. And this will help you save a lot of time every single time that you're posting on Instagram. So there you go, an Instagram hack that will save you a lot of time when posting on Instagram. If you enjoy these type of videos, give me a like. And also, if it's your first time hearing about this hack, let me know in the comments below. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.